In this video, let me show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. So if you're just facing this issue within your Spotify application, the first thing that you can try out is use the manual search method. So within the search bar or the search section within Spotify, search for Wrapped and try to see if you can manually pull out the Wrapped within your account. Now, if this solution is not working out for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to update the application of Spotify. So simply head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and look for new updates available. If none of these solutions are working out for you, you'll also need to ensure that you check your song count. You need to have at least 30 tracks for over 30 seconds played. Only then the Spotify Wrapped will be visible within your account, and also make sure that you have turned off the VPN within your device. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the last thing that you can try out is just reinstall the application of Spotify onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.